Hello friends, welcome back. So today we'll be learning about hyperlinks, how we create hyperlink, and we'll see the code how the three types of hyperlinks that we have already discussed are used in the creation of web pages. The three types of hyperlinks that we have already discussed are internal hyperlinks, external hyperlinks, as well as backlinks. So now we'll be learning all these three types of hyperlinks practically. So let's move on and start coding. First of all, what we have to do is we have to open any folder, and there we have to create the HTML pages. So I'll move on to D drive, and in this I create a folder. Let's name it website, and in this website I'll be creating three pages. So I'll create text document. I can use any of the editors that we have already discussed. I'll be using the Dreamweaver to create the web pages. So I've used Dreamweaver version 8 here. It is opening. And as you can see, uh, it is taking some time. Okay, so it has opened now. First of all, as we know that web pages should have an extension of .html, so I'll be saving it as index.html. I'll make it HTML documents, and I'll give index.html as my first page. And here I'll use HTML. In HTML, as we know, it has two parts, head and body. So I'll create head and body. In the head tag, I'll also create a title bar. I've created a title tag, and I'm putting let's learn hyperlinks. This will be the title, and now I'll create the web page. So first of all, at the top, let us give the phone number. And then I'll use an image tag. Align equals to right. And I'll give horizontal rule. Okay, then I'm using a heading tag, h1, line equals to center, and I'm writing software services and solutions. This will be the first heading of a web page, and I've aligned it as center. Then I'm putting again a horizontal rule. Okay, and let us see how it is, how the output is coming. So I'm saving it. I'll go to the folder. This is the index page, and I'll try to open it and see how it is giving the output. So it will be open in the browser. Let us see how the output is coming, and then we'll modify it according to our requirement. As of now, I have not used any hyperlinks. Our main objective of today's session is to learn hyperlink. But as of now, we have not used any hyperlink. So the phone number is there, the image is there, the heading tag is there. Okay, so I'll make some changes. I've resized the Dreamweaver editor so that image source align source will put some web page. And I'm using another HR tag. In between these HR tag, I'll create center, and in the center I'll be creating hyperlink. A href equals to, suppose first will be home index.html. This will be pointing to home page, and then we'll close the anchor tag. So this is one hyperlink that I've just created. The home is the word which is a hypertext linked to index.html. Similarly, I'll copy it and I'll paste it 2 more times. The second will be the about.html page. I'm giving it about us, and then we have a contact.html. Let's meet. So these are the 3 hyperlinks that I've created. These are the 3 text which I've created. It is visible now on the screen, and we'll see how it appears when we refresh it. So I'm saving it and I'll refresh it. So now you can see that we have home, about us, and let's meet. These are the 3 hyperlinks, and there is a phone number at the top. We have also used an image src align equals to right. The image tag goes with img. So let us save it and let us see how it is appearing. Again, we cannot see image src align equals to right. Okay, let's give it height equals to height, and width is equals to 25. Now I'm saving it. Let me refresh. Now it is, the image is coming at the right corner of the screen. You can see there is an image tag. Since the source image source file is not there, so there's no image in the image tag. We'll download some image and put it there. So let us use our browser. We'll put a let's put Facebook icon there. So we'll search Facebook logo. Let's use the first one. So I'm saving it, save image as, and it has to go to the D drive. We have website here, and let's rename it as FB the size, the data, the type of the file is PNG. Let's save it as PNG. So it has downloaded. We'll go and see in the folder whether it has downloaded or not. So it is here, FB, you can see. Now we can open it in any paint editor, any photo editor. We can open it on paintbrush. Let us see how it is appearing, so that we can crop some extra size. Okay, we can do the cropping of the image, and let's resize it to 20 by 20. So it is now here 20 by 20. I'm saving it, coming back to the browser. Let us see how it appears. Still it is not. Why? Because we have not given the name. So here we'll give the name FB, and as it is of PNG type, we'll put PNG. So this is how the image will appear. Now, this Facebook logo that we have shown, it will point to the external page, and this will be called the external hyperlink. And these three will be the internal hyperlink. And then we'll use one more link, that is a backlink. So we'll also see how backlinks are created. So first of all, I'll create an external hyperlink. I want to point this image to our Facebook page. So what we have to do, we have to use a, then href equals to, will point the Facebook page. Let's close it. Now we must have the URL of the Facebook page. So what we'll do is, let us see where our Facebook page is located. I'll open our website. See, this is a live website. Here we have a Facebook icon. When we click, it goes to this URL. So this is the external hyperlink. I'll copy it and I'll put it in our code. So this creates an external hyperlink. Whenever this image will be clicked, it will go to this resource, that is Facebook page, and this is an external hyperlink as it is taking the user from our website to the Facebook website. Now let us save it. Let us come back to the browser. Let us refresh it and check whether it is hyperlink or not. So when I point to this logo, a Facebook logo, you can see at the bottom here, on the left bottom, you can see that, okay, I clicked it. The hyperlink is shown at the bottom. You can see at the bottom, left bottom. And when I click it, it goes to the Facebook page. So this is the external hyperlink. See here, this is the Facebook page. Okay. So this is the Facebook page of our website. This is how the external hyperlink are created. Now we have to create 3 pages. We have only one page, home, about us, and let us meet. So what I can do is I have this index.html already created. I'll go to the file menu. I'll save as the second page, as you can see, is about.html. So I'll save one as about.html, and I'll also save as once more as contact.html. So I have 3 pages now. One is contact.html. I can open all the 3. See, in the folder, I have about page, contact page, and index page. I'll open the index page. This is the index page. I'll open the about page, and I'll open the contact page. So these three pages are there. Now, this is the about page. So I'll add some more content in the about page. So about software services and solutions. So I'll add some content. H2 is the second heading. Software services and solutions, and I'll add some more content. This is the about page. So I'll write about software services and solutions. Now I'm saving it. I'll go to the index page. There's the home page. So I'll write welcome to software services and solutions. I'll use the heading tag H2. This is the home page. So this again, I'm saving it. And then I'll move to the contact page. This is the contact page. So let us come again to the contact page. I'm using H2 tag again. And here contact SSS. So now I'm saving all of these pages. We can see, I'll refresh. This is the home page. When I click the about page, this is the about page. When I click the let's meet, this is the contact page. We can populate we can add some more content on all these three pages. So this is how the internal hyperlink and the external hyperlinks are created. The external hyperlink is the Facebook logo, which is pointing to the Facebook page. These are the three internal hyperlinks which are which are pointing to the internal pages of the website. So this is how we create internal hyperlink and external hyperlink. Now let us create a backlink to our website. So to create a backlink to our website, we can use the same syntax. What is the syntax for the external hyperlink? A tag. See here, this is the external hyperlink, and this is the internal hyperlink. If you ponder on it, you can see that only the difference is in the reference that we are giving, the internal hyperlink and the external hyperlink. Now, if we go to any blog page or any other page from where we can give a backlink, we can give a link to our website, then that will call the backlink. So internal hyperlink and external hyperlink, I hope it is clear. So I'll move to Quora. Let's move to Quora. Quora is a Q&A, question and answer site. There, if we'll see if there are some questions to be answered. Let us search some question instead of adding. Like, what is the darkest part of a software engineer career? You can see there's a question in it. Being a computer science student, how hard did you work to end up with a high package as a fresher? So these are the questions. Now, what is the darkest part of a, let me add some content. What are the places one should visit in June in Manali? What are the 10 popular bus booking apps in India changing the way we plan travel? So now I'll answer this question. Okay. What are the 10 popular bus booking apps? So 10 popular bus booking apps are: number one, I'll write bus and ticket.com. So this is the first hyperlink that I have given. So this is pointing to busandticket.com, as I have just now written busandticket.com. So it is searching whether busandticket.com website exists or not. And if it exists, if it will link to, the answer will link to that particular website. So this is how the external, I've just put a name of the website here, and it has linked to the, it is linking, it is taking time. It is searching on the web busandticket.com, and then it will link to that particular bus booking app. So whenever some user will search for the popular bus booking app, he'll find busandticket.com, and when he clicks the busandticket.com, then he can easily reach to the bus and ticket booking app. I can add more options. I'm just posting it to see how the backlinks are created. So my question is already posted. See, what are the 10 bus booking apps? I have 10 bus booking apps are, I've written busandticket.com. See here, http busandticket.com. I wrote in the answer http busandticket.com. So this is the hyperlink. Now, whenever anyone will click to this, he will reach to the busandticket.com app, where the bus ticket can be uh, done for any route pan India. This is a bus booking app site. So here is how the external links are given. You can see here also this is the external link. Okay. When we click, it takes to the busandticket.com website, Facebook page. So coming back to our content that we have created, our website that we have created, it is software services and solutions with 3 menus. Each of these menu is linked to one of the web page which is internal to the website, and then we have a Facebook logo that is taking to the facebook.com page of our company. So this is called the external hyperlink. I hope you understand now the 3 concepts of hyperlinks: the internal link, which are links to the another resource on the same page. Usually the web pages are linked to each other using internal links. Then we have external link, any other similar resource that is on the web, which we point from our website. When the user clicks, it takes to something external to our website, that is the external hyperlink. And when any other website points to our website, then this is called the backlink. For creating any type of link, we always use the same anchor tag, a tag, and in href attribute, we mention the name of that particular resource. So this is how the hyperlinks are created. I hope you enjoyed this, and keep practicing, because practice makes you perfect. And if ever you have any question, don't hesitate to call me on this number, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you very much. Thank you.